Hi, I'm Dr. Madhuri Bangera, 30 years into practice as an obstetrician and gynecologist. Today I'm here now to talk about the common problems in pregnancy. I will later talk about the COVID issues too and what care a pregnant woman should take. Most commonly when pregnant patients come to our consulting, they have lots of issues, already googled lots of things, and backache, white discharge, inability to turn, move are the most common things. But these things are always going to be experienced by most of the patients. It is not a pathology. Manje backache is not a problem or an ailment, but it is something that will be there in and during pregnancy. After you deliver, you take proper calciums and vitamin D3, the backache is going to disappear. The other thing is about discharges. Whenever vaginal discharges in pregnancy, whenever there is, that's going to be there, the discharge is going to be there, but whenever there is itching or foul smelling, you must inform the gynec, for which the treatment is very simple, just a tablet to be inserted and matter is done. As we proceed into first trimester, second trimester, third trimester, every trimester complaints are different. First trimester is usually nothing, nausea, vomiting, inability to sleep, dehydration. At that time, you need to eat at regular intervals because pregnancy is not a disease, it's going to be with you for 9 months. So the treatment for the nausea and vomiting of pregnancy in the first trimester is usually medicines are there, we help you with the medicines, but eating at regular intervals works the most. Second trimester is a basically easygoing trimester where patients are perceiving fetal movements, so they have an experience this lower abdominal pain. त्याच्यामुळे त्यांना वाटतं की अरे बापरे, there is a problem, but not so. Usually it is the fetal movements which they experience as pain and therefore they are worried. But as and when they come to us, we do solve that problem, explain it to them. Then once they are convinced, that complaint doesn't come up. Another question is that my baby is all right now, my baby is all right now. So of course, nowadays we have scans, we are also investigating y'all. So invariably the fetus is going to be good. Of course, in patients who have blood pressure, diabetes, it's a different thing. Those are different patients to be taken care differently. The last trimester is filled with inability to sleep, discomfort, झोपू नाही शकत, you can't rotate on your bed, again common symptoms. You have to tolerate them, and once the baby is delivered, everything settles. And now with regards to COVID, pregnant, see, this is a newer ailment or a disease that we are tackling. So everything is, we are also learning with experience, okay, what is to be done. Pregnant women, I feel, should always take care of wearing a mask, sanitizing their hands, and need not go to crowded places when not required. The best thing is sit at home. If you're working, nowadays everybody is working from home. If you still do have to travel, really take care of wearing a mask properly, which is above at your nose. No need of gloves and everything because the gloves are more of a handicap. Every time you touch your mask, you must see that you sanitize your hands before you touch your face or your mask, which is often forgotten and not done. And yes, pregnancy with COVID, 20-25% of the patients will be normal, but people who are above 30, have blood pressure in pregnancy, have diabetes in pregnancy, can definitely land up with problems. So it is better to be safe than sorry. That's with regards to COVID, but anytime in this atmosphere, whenever you have fever or any such symptoms where you feel that it's doubtful, then you must consult your local obstetrician or your gynec at the earliest so things can be prevented. By saying all these things, I might conclude my short informative talk. Thank you very much.